the voice of Middelburg. By promoting and improving trade and commerce and the economic, civic and social welfare of the district Steve Tshwete and the community at large. As I sat down to write this message, one theme running through the past 2 years became apparent. Communication, communication, communication. If you don't communicate, you will not know. Here's a quick look through our year. My term started when the NCCI was the finalist in the World Chamber Forum competition. The question I asked myself, what other rabbit will the NCCI pull out of the hat during my term? I strongly believe that the Chamber movement must not lose focus, as the purpose of the movement is to advise business interests. You will see from the presentation, I think it's that 2014 was again an active year with many opportunities for members to promote their businesses. The Chamber is divided into 3 divisions: Chamber and Member Activities, Tourism Information Office and the Business Linkage Centre. I will start with the Middelburg Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We boarded the NCCI. I would like to share some of the activities of the NCCI during the past year. The Chamber continued to promote local business in various ways and at various levels. Our monthly networking events remain popular, creating an informal environment that promotes business networks.
And we look forward to networking with you tonight.